Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to play YouTube in background in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to play YouTube in background, so let's see how can I do this. First of all, you have to open your Chrome and here just go for search and search for youtube.com. Just search for this and then you will get the web version of your YouTube app just like that. In here just look for the video which you want to play in background. As I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and when the video has been playing you just have to tap on the three dots on the Chrome browser in the top right corner, and here just enable the desktop site and you will get this type interface. Just play the video from here. You can see the video has been playing. Now go back to your home screen. So when you go back to your home screen, you will get your YouTube which is running or playing in background here. You can easily customize it, keep forward it from here. So that's how you can easily play YouTube in background in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.